In this video, I'll be showing you the best movement error crosshairs in Valorant, with all of the recommended crosshair settings and profile codes. The first crosshair I'll be showing is the standard 4-line crosshair. Turn off outlines and center dot. Turn on inner lines. Set inner lines to 1, 4, 2, 2. Turn on movement error. Set the multiplier to about 0.014. Next is the dot crosshair. Turn off outlines. Enable the center dot option. Set the opacity to 1 and thickness to 1. Disable both override options. Turn on inner lines. Set inner lines to 1, 2, 3, 0. Turn on movement error. Set the multiplier to 0.016. Scroll down and turn off outer lines. The next movement error crosshair is a crosshair. Turn off both the outlines and center dot options. Turn on inner lines. Set inner lines to 1, 4, 2, 0. If you want a smaller cross, then set the length to 2 or 3. Enable movement error. Set the multiplier between 0.016 and 0.028. Scroll down and disable the outer lines. You will now have 3 of the best movement crosshairs on Valorant. Be sure to drop a like if you like these crosshairs and subscribe for more Valorant guides and optimization.